If you're looking for a place to stay near Saratoga Springs, New York, then the Hyatt Place Saratoga-Malta might fit what you're looking for. Join me as we take a walk around the grounds and inside to see what this hotel has to offer. And I apologize, my camera was acting really weird tonight, so you're going to see some weird shots. When you first come in, there is a little area for sitting down. Over on the left, there's actually more seating for dining. They do have a dining option. Here, brochures about what you can do in the area. Some nice plushy seats to sit in, which we're going to go around and come at this again as if we were walking in for the first time. To the left and to the right, we have different options. To the left, you have conference rooms. To the right is where their workout equipment is, as well as their pool. And then you can see there's also some storage and staff-only places. We're going to meander down this very long hallway to get to the pool area. And I kind of like the fact that the pool and the gym are located kind of to the outskirts of this hotel. I always feel weird, especially with pools, that they're centrally located. So here you can see card entry into the workout area, 24/7 access. You have elliptical machines, free weights, rowers over there on the far right, and then some treadmills. And then we're going to go down the hallway here to access the pool. The pool was actually very popular when I was here, even considering it was later at night. So at first, I just kind of did that close view. You can see the pool hours, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. And then the next day, as more people were checking out, I actually got to go into the pool area. You can see there's a little seating area. There is a hot tub right there. And then a decently sized pool, 4 feet 2 at one end, going up to 5 feet over there in the corner. A little hard to see. No diving, got a skimmer in there, and just kind of giving you the overall layout. Now, you can access the pool, as you can see from the exterior shot here, and you can be seen, too. Keep that in mind because the lights and everything. Coming down the other hallway, this is where you actually get access to those conference rooms. There are 2 big conference rooms here over on the right-hand side, but then down this hallway, there's actually more room. So if you need to be close to these conference rooms, and those are bathrooms, this could be the wing to do. Now, the staff here was very attentive, so it made filming very difficult because they kept asking me if I was okay and needed anything, and I didn't really want to tell them I was filming stuff. But here we could see, quick pass by the front desk, there is a strict noise policy, which I kind of appreciated. It did make things quieter for sleeping. There is a little snack bar area there. You can see more seating for the dinner options. Here, this is your breakfast area, and I cut to the next morning where I was getting an idea of the spread. It's about what you'd expect for something like this. They had eggs, they had sausage, they had bagels. Here, over on the right-hand side, this is the bar/food area, and I did utilize this on my stay here. I did get a burger. I didn't want to go out and deal with the 3 roundabouts to get here. So as you can see, it's pretty good for what you pay. And then here is an exterior shot of that dining area, because yes, there's more seating on the exterior. And all the floors look alike, so I'm showing you what the second floor looked like, which is where my room was. So you have the 2 elevators and then the ice machine back there, and then the hallway to get to your room. But if you're looking for a place to stay close to Saratoga, New York, and are a Hyatt member and have points, that's a great combination, and this would be a good hotel to use those points and membership at. With that being said, I have been Wanderer 001. Happy wandering.